In just 1 year's time, Mike Weaver, lead singer of Big Daddy Weave, shed 84 of the 90 pounds he'd set out to lose in 2009.
I'm blown away, and I'm so thankful too, because I mean, not only for the 84 pounds, but just for how different my life is physically.
Dr. Asa Andrew led Mike through the nutrition and exercise portion of his program.
He was always been kind of an overweight guy, and for him in his mind, I think he was thinking in the beginning, can I really do this? So for him, I think it was the first 10 pounds that was the victory for him, because he's seen that he can walk over that mountain. The big thing is he took responsibility, and now his life will never be the same. There's always hope to get your health back.
To get well, Mike had to drastically change his lifestyle. Diet, sleep, and exercise all played a role.
Getting in the gym, I mean, that was such a foreign idea to me, but the truth is now this is part of my life. I go to the gym every day, pretty much. When I'm at home, it's like I'm cardio every morning, and then 3 days a week we're meeting with a strength trainer and eating so much differently, man. My life is a completely brand new place in so many ways, man, and I thank God for that.
Some days, Mike thinks he sees more of a spiritual change than a physical one.
I think the Lord, redefines for me this year what grace is really, because my body is a temple where God lives, and He has expectations of us, but not for us to try to make those things happen on our own. It's about learning how to surrender every area of our life to Him and live in His grace that empowers us to live for Him. And really it was just learning about how to receive who I am in Christ and what that means in this area of eating and this way that I've been so addicted for years and years out of my life.
Mike's wife, Candace, has been his biggest supporter along the way.
Watching Mike over the last year has been amazing. Actually, there's been times where it's been extremely hard for him, and then there's been times where we've just rejoiced in the little things that have happened on a day-to-day basis. I really felt like my role in the last year was to do everything that I could at home so that he could focus on his work and his journey with this weight loss. And then just praying for him constantly that he would not be discouraged, that he would not believe the lies that Satan tells him that he can't do it, because he can. He has. He's proven that he has. I'm just so proud of him for coming so far, for working so hard on something, sticking to it, and it's not easy to lose as much as he has.
So what does lie ahead in 2010?
I'm excited about the future, because even though we've made lots of changes, it really just makes me hungry for even more of a change and to embrace what it is that God has for next year.
For now, Mike is enjoying being able to keep up with his boys, among other things.
Oh man, see, it was cool because that was the first time I reached into my closet and found that something fit. Everything in my closet is big now. Everything's too big now. And that's great. That's great. And the truth is, I feel so much better. It's easier to move. It's easier to get around. I feel alive, man. I feel alive. And that is motivation to keep going, I think, as well.